Good afternoon. Uh, I made a video on that topic of quadratic equation. How a quadratic equation is solved by the method of completing square. In previous video, what I made and uploaded, that was related to a general quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, means in its standard form. Now we are looking into a few examples there which is based on them, and we will solve these examples on that basis only. So without wasting time, we are taking a question ki how can we solve a quadratic equation by the method of completing square. So look, for that I took example from the exercise. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist. Here one of the equation is there, but we may take that type of question. So if they exist by the method of completing square, means ki if a solution is possible, so then they told us to search those solutions. So how can we search them? Look, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so look, what will we do? What we were doing there, we were taking 2 common. What was the coefficient of x square? First, in very first step, the x square will be there, and what I suggested you, what you are taking common, if that is not present in that, means that factor is not present in second term, so what you do, if you are taking it common, then result will be 7 divided by 2x. Okay, means divide it by that which you are taking common. Why we do so? Because we are taking two things, 2 and 2 here, and 1 2 we are taking here, so what is left here? 2. So similarly, 2 was not the factor of 3, so we will divide it by 2 because we are taking 2 common. Now look, if we are not taking 2 common, if we multiply here, it will come 7 into 2, 2 and 2 cancels or not, that is giving us minus 7x or not. Similarly, 2 into 3 divided by 2 gives you 3 actually. So in that way we do. The first step done, that discussion we made in the previous video. So now 2 will come, 2 will divide this side. If you transpose 2 to RHS side, what does it give us? X square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Should it be? Now you see, what can we do? We can do now what? X square, x square. Now we need to make a perfect square number like x plus something whole square or x minus something whole square. Look, minus is the second term in this expansion, so will we write minus. And if you do x minus suppose k whole square, so what do we write? X square minus 2k into x plus k square, that we write. Now we want to make it like this. So here x square is there, minus 2ab type things should come. So at the place of b, x is there. So what should be at the place of a? We need to search here. So for that I am giving you कि you do first x square minus जो फार्मूले का 2 है उसको लिखिए. तो 2 we are doing. So if we are doing extra 2, so it must be divided there also, na? To compensate, because 2 was not here in the numerator. So we wrote 2 into 1 by 2, and what was there? 7 was there above, and what was below? 2 was there. Look, this 2 is coming here, this 2 is coming here, and multiplied by x was there. Look, so we wrote x square minus 2. In place of b, what is there? X is there. So what should be a now? A should be this now. Look. Is it or not? So x square minus 2, right, 2ab. If a minus b whole square we are doing, the x is coming here, na? So what should be there? This whole term should come like 7 by 2 to the 4. 7 by 4 whole square. Look what we did. X square minus 2 into x into b. 2 into x into b. So plus b square. 2 into k into x. 2 into x into k plus k square. Similarly, what should be there? X square minus 2 into x. X is coming into what is left inside this circle, that will be k. So we will do now 7 by what is left here? 7 by 4. The 7 by 4 whole square. We did this extra thing. So what will we do? Minus 7 by 4 whole square. Okay. And what was their extra thing? Plus 3 by 2. ये 3 by 2 तो पहले से था. That will give you 0. This is the crucial step to understand. Again try to understand. इसको बार बार देखना. पहले हमें क्या करना था? 2 कॉमन किए, ये लिखे. ठीक है? कैसे 2 कॉमन करके लिखे? 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Why? Because 2 was not present in the numerator. So we are dividing it by 2. That's it will compensate. Here also similar thing. Then 2 should be taken this side. That will give you 0 by 2. 0 by 2 was there, means ki 0. 0 divided by 2 gives us 0. No? So that will be. Now we want to make as a perfect square. So how can we make it perfect square? So x minus k whole square is x square minus 2xk plus k square. So we want to write it. So look, x square is there, minus x is there. So we need to make it as k. So in which 2 must be there. But here in numerator 2 was not there. So we introduce 2. तो यदि 2 हम इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं तो 2 से डिवाइड भी तो करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमें कुछ इंट्रोड्यूस यहाँ करना नहीं है. इसी एक्सप्रेशन को उस फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो व्हाट कैन वी डू? 2 multiplied 2 divided, and what was there we are writing that 7 by 2 we are writing here. Okay, we are writing here 7 by 2. ठीक है, 7 by 2. तो look into x. So now what happens? X square minus 2xk. K is 7 by 4. The 7 by 4 whole square we did. So it is extra term. This star is extra term. So how can we add anything on any side of the equation? We cannot do. So for that purpose we subtracted it. बोलिए सर ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why we are doing so? We have to make it as a perfect square, as the question suggests us do this question by the method of completing square. If complete square will be not there, how can we solve via this? So it will be now what? X square minus this, x square minus 2xk plus k square. So that will be x minus 7 by 4 whole square. X minus 7 by 4 whole square. Should it be? Minus 7 7 ja 49, 4 4 ja 60 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Should it be? Now look, will we transpose these two constant terms this side? It will change its sign. So x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to this will be 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. So look, what should it give us? X minus 7 by 4 whole square, ठीक है, is equal to 16 is LCM of 16 and 2 is 16. 16 1 ja 49 minus 3 into 8, because 2 8 is 16. So 49 minus 24 na, by 60. So 25 by 60 is coming. So x minus 7 by 4. Now look, it is coming in the perfect square numbers form. So now x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 5 by 4 whole square. 5 by 4 whole square should it be? X minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 5 by 4 ka whole square. Can we write? So that will give you what? X minus 7 by 4 is equal to root over plus minus. If we are taking square root of any real numbers, it will give us positive real number, then it will leave us plus minus. So 5 by 4 ka whole square. All there. So 5 by 4 whole square's root over will give you 5 by 4 with positive and negative sign. X minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus minus 5 by 4. Should it be? And then you transpose this side. So what should give us? X is equal to 7 by 4 positive plus minus 5 by 4 because it was given earlier. So therefore x having two values, one with positive sign, one with negative sign. कैसे? 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 or 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. So it will give you 4 LCM 7 plus 5 or 7 minus 5 by 4. So that will give you 12 by 4 or 2 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to either 3 or 1 by 2. Is it or not? So, this is the solution of such equation. So, in that way we do question by method of completing square. So, you must watch this video 2-3 times, and especially here you see 2-3 times how we are making this, If you could do these two steps very effectively, you can do easily the question. So again I want to discuss. First you take, if any coefficient is there with x square, you take it common, okay? Acha. One more thing was there here, if they exist, we started doing that. So just before that, what will we see? We will check d of it. D means what? Discriminant. I discussed on that. D of a quadratic question is b square minus 4ac. Well discussed. So b square. So what is b? B is minus 7. Here a is 2. B is minus 7. C is 3. So a is 2. So b is minus 7 whole square minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a. What is a? A is 2. What is c? C is 3. ठीक है, ये पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए तभी ये सब पॉसिबल होगा. ओके, तो फर्स्ट विल चेक. Here you obviously it will be 49 minus 4 into 4 to the 8 into 3, 24. So that is 25. Is it positive or not? So 25 is a positive number. So it is its solution is possible. So लिखेंगे since d is more than 0, therefore है ना, roots will exist. Okay, so आर पॉसिबल. पहले लिखेंगे उसके बाद चलेंगे इन सब चीज़ों एंड देन विल बी प्रोसीड. So in first step we will take 2 common, and if it is not available, suppose 14 would be there, तो then what we can do, 2 common करते तो 7 आ जाता है. ये सब करने का जरूरत. If 2 is not there, if which term we are taking common, if that is not present, then we will divide it by this. That is the rule. How it comes, because you take, if you multiply it to 2 by 2, 2 by 2 is nothing, 2 by 2 here, 2 by 2 is nothing, we took 2 common, then it is leaving it. Now in that next step it becomes, that should come this side, transpose, and it will be divided by 2. So then 0 will again come, and then this crucial step, look, we want to make it either x plus k whole square or x minus k whole square. If minus sign is with the term having x, then we will consider that x minus k type whole square will be there. So x square minus, generally what we write in x minus k whole square, 2xk. So we will write, if 2 is not there, we will be multiply and divide. And what are the other terms? We will multiply, and x will be obviously there, z will be there, like that. So 2x and k is there. So then k square plus and k square minus. And what are the last term? We will carry that also. So we are doing actually nothing. These two cancel. These two, if you 2 cancel, so it will be 7x by 2 or not. So we did nothing, but that type of changes made a big change in the question, and we can write it as a perfect square. Now x minus 7 by 4 whole square minus 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. X minus 7 by 4 whole square, 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. X minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 49 minus 3 into 8 by 16, 49 minus 24 by 16, 25 by 16. And in that way we solve. So thank you very much. You try to understand it 2 times, then questions will be easy. Otherwise it is somehow minutely difficult from other exercises. Thank you very much. Stay safe.